Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add Fibonacci Retracement tool in MetaTrader 5. If you want to mark key pullback levels, find targets or study market structure, the Fibonacci Retracement tool in MT5 is one of the easiest and most powerful tools to use. Firstly, open MetaTrader 5 and go to any chart. At the top toolbar, select Insert. Then go to Fibonacci, then Retracement. Now move your mouse to the chart. Now once you click to mark the starting point of your Fibonacci retracement, hold the mouse and drag the second point. Release the mouse and the Fibonacci levels will instantly appear on your chart. Now MT5 will show extra info near your second point such as time difference between point A and point B, price difference, and slope angle. This helps you to draw precise fibs. Once the fib is drawn, you'll see the three draggable points. Move this to change where your fib starts and move this to adjust direction and length of the retracement. And the middle point, you can move the entire fib tool without changing its size, which is very handy when repositioning. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.